Welcome to Dagger's Gear Up and Get Out series. Tips and tricks for hitting the water and having an awesome day. The main difference between a forward stroke and a turning stroke, or sweep stroke, is the position of the paddle shaft on initiation of the stroke. For a sweep stroke, lower your top hand even with your torso to begin the stroke. Sweep the paddle blade from bow to stern. The paddle shaft is as horizontal as you can make it, while at the same time keeping the blade fully immersed. Engage your torso by watching the blade move from bow all the way to the stern. This will spin your kayak and point it in the direction you want to go. Turning strokes are important, but sometimes going with the flow is all you need.